Hi, I'm Laura, and weekends are my favorite part of the week. It's the time when my family and I get to relax and have fun together. I like to get up early in the morning also on weekends to get more times for spending with family. We always start the day through a morning walk with my family. Me and Max wait the whole week for this with a lot of excitement. After finishing my daily morning activities, I go to kitchen to help my mom for making breakfast. My dad and Max also participate in it. On weekend, we always have a beautiful family breakfast with new recipes and pancake. My mom makes the best ones. In most of the weekends, we went to visit my grandparents who lives with our uncles, so we started getting ready for go after breakfast. My grandparents live with my uncle, aunt, and my cousin named Aria and Liam. They are as restless as me and Max. In the house, me and Max have a lot of fun together with Liam and Aria. We play various types of games in the garden. My parents have some chit-chats with my grandparents and aunt-uncle. Sometimes they visit outside together in the time. My mom and aunt cooks various delicious food for lunch, and we have it in the dining table. Before returning home, we usually have a little bit gossip with each other. We talk about all sorts of things, school, friends, and sometimes Grandpa tells us stories from when he was my age. After returning home and take some rest, it's adventure time. Today, we are going to visit a local fair. My dad loves exploring, and it's our way of spending time with each other. We enjoyed various rides and foods. We also brought some fun crafts. I think you all miss Whisker today. Actually, weekend is the day when he goes to pet care center to meet his pet friend. And a lot of people keep their pets in there for having good care and a lot of fun to them. Whisker goodbye to his pet friends from the center in evening, and my dad takes him to home. Then we are going to enjoy a movie night. I love watching movie with my family. We end the day with a big family dinner. It's my favorite part, everyone laughing and sharing stories. This weekend was packed with laughter, big family dinners, and grandparents' love. I loved every second of it. I can't wait for the next one. Here's to more fun, more stories, and even more memories. Subscribe for more stories about my beautiful moments of life. And comment which moment stories do you want as next. See you soon!